Welcome to Quick English Practice. English Grammar Test. Each question takes 10 seconds to answer. If you pass this test, your English is amazing. Let's get started. Good luck. Not only she, but also her friends. Going to the concert. Right answer is CR. She was the only one in the class who the answer correctly. Right answer is C knew. I have not decided where I'd go for my vacation. Right answer is A should. She, me, she had already completed the project. Right answer is C, told. My friend and I planning a trip to Vancouver. Right answer is AR. While I was studying, the light suddenly out. Right answer is B went. This is the park. We used to play as children. Right answer is C where. I cannot go to the movie because my homework yet. Right answer is A, have not finished. We were surprised when they up at the party. Right answer is B showed. The museum, along with the library, closed on Sundays. Right answer is A is. This is the first time a speech in public. Right answer is C has given. He walked quietly. He would not wake the baby. Right answer is B, so that. By next week, this road construction. Right answer is A will have completed. Do you know what time the train? Right answer is B, arrives. He could not come to the party because he sick. Right answer is C, was. The students, the results before the teacher arrived. Right answer is B, had seen. It rains tomorrow. The match will be postponed. Right answer is A, if. He does not know how to drive, and do I? Right answer is C, neither. The room needs to be cleaned. It. Right answer is B, does. I prefer working in a team, working alone. Right answer is A2. You should be careful. You might get hurt. Right answer is B, or. The more you practice, the you become. Right answer is A, better. The teacher asked who absent yesterday. Right answer is B, was. If you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it. Right answer is A, boils. The movie was not as interesting as I. Right answer is B, expected.